Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Tirukurakkundram, Chingalpet.
For admissions, contact 9688999811 8012553412 73730
Ka kanhon jong Nongdro Bapawnam na kalangkiri perthai. Kiba kantop yo Xander Steiger na kari Belgium u Michael Franz Theater na kari Austria, ka Lucia Olenova na kari Slovakia, ka Sisir Devkota na kari Nepal, bat ka Paushalidas na kari India. Ken sasa hadu Bnai Kynthih hari Bhoi district. Nak bentaman pendep project kaba kila Bu Ahmad ya katong ban Jinghikai ki khna school kibaran hathemri Bhoi ha kaliang ka drodor. Da kani katong kani ka kunhun jukini Nongdro kala thmuru banwan ra ya ka Jinghikai ka bajan ha ka riti ka dostor ban penpa perthai ya ki jaka ki bom pat pa perthai ha kani ka jela Meghalaya bat ban pen sapriang ru ya ka khubor bagi khna school ha ki shnong nong kendong ki ban penpa ya la ka sap ka baki don. Ha kini ki Bnai on sapen ipat ba ru ya ki Nongdro ba internet bat ki ba pen ya bet jong kini ki Nongdro Nabar kari India kum ka jing ai men sim ki khna ki ba don ka sap ka phong ha ka kam dro Nongdro.
So it has been every year we used to conduct our residency programs, and we used to bring the people from different parts of the world to different areas of Meghalaya. So this year we have been asked by the education department to come to the Bhoi district and conduct a series of workshops here. This is our first workshop here in Nongdro, and we are very happy for such a huge attendance of 11 schools, including Bhoi Presbytery School. And I have to say on the very beginning that this program has been organized under Bala and Nikun Bharat by State Education Mission Authority of Meghalaya, SSSMM, and also supported by Tourism Department. And with any further ado, I would like to introduce this year we came to Bhoi district. We have selected artists who participated in this program. They will be staying 1 month in Bhoi district.
Because they are dry. This is the technical issue. Otherwise, why I am doing like this? To understand, not a single brush cover that line. You know, not cross that demarcation line. It's a very nice impression. We are living in a very urban society. This is very nice. As a society, as a school, as a student, all are getting so close by nature. And what we are doing here, there is a basic things how to students are play with colors and forms. There's a 150 students we are working that one single color. They are first know how to paint one single color, not interrupt in other colors.
Then also we can sit. We have a circle here. Up. If it's not the right formula, you send up. You'll be quiet. And you can do also some circle with your feet. Let's make circles. Take it off, everything that you don't want in your life. Shake it up. You shake it off what you don't want. Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off. Okay.
Art residency has been organized by Picasso People's Art Society, hosted by Public School, and supported by State Education Mission Authority of Meghalaya, and also by Tourism Department. This art residency means that the artists from different parts of the world will come to Meghalaya for 1 month, and they will stay to participate in different activities. And every year, basically, different artists come from different countries. We used to select them through the open call, and this year we were very happy that we welcome artists from Belgium, Austria, Slovakia, Nepal, and India. And they have been here just for 1 week. This is our first group workshop in Bhoi Presbytery School. And we have done 3 to 4 activities with the children, and main aim of those activities is to wake up some creativity or creative mind in a child, and encourage them to think out of the box, and basically to feel the school to be fun, and it's a place where they can not only learn by repeating, but learn also by creating. So we are very thankful to principal of Bhoi Presbytery School that they have given us this beautiful place, and we could conduct it. And we will be going to different blocks of Bhoi district. This year we are going to conduct most of the activities in Bhoi district. And on 19th of May we are going to have a final exhibition, not only of the workshops, but also of the paintings and artwork which artists would be creating on the inspiration of this place. And we are very much welcoming people to join it. You can follow our Facebook page or our website picassopupils.com, where you will be knowing about the news, what is happening, and people can come and visit our final event on 19th of May.